In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location on Square Appointments, navigating the modern business landscape, especially for those of us scheduling appointments, whether you're managing a bustling salon, a cozy cafe, or delivering personalized services right to your client's door. Keeping your location details accurate and up to date is not just important, it's essential. Today, I'm here to guide you through the simple yet pivotal process of adding a location to your Square Appointments, ensuring your business isn't just found, but is also as accessible as possible to your clientele. Let's start from the beginning. You'll want to head over to the official Square website. Once there, the first step is to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen. Here you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Square account. Make sure you input these details correctly to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Square dashboard. This dashboard is truly the command center for managing all aspects of your Square account, including the all-important task of adding a new location. From here, a little housekeeping before we proceed to the next step. Click on your store name, which you can locate at the top right corner of the Square dashboard. This action will open a drop-down menu where you should select Account Settings. Think of this as adjusting the settings on your GPS before embarking on a road trip. It's essential for ensuring you're headed in the right direction. Now that you're in the account settings, let's move to the heart of the matter. Click on My Business to delve into the details of your operation. Within this section, you will find the Locations option. This is where you can manage all the places from which you run your business, and it's where you'll add a new location. Upon clicking on Locations, you'll be prompted to create location. It's a straightforward yet significant step. Here you are required to provide a nickname for the new location. Be thoughtful with the nickname. It should be something easily recognizable to you and, if applicable, your team. The next important step involves specifying the type of location you're adding. Square understands that not all businesses are tethered to a static address. You'll have the choice between a physical location, which is a brick and mortar address, or a mobile location for those who deliver services directly to their customers. After selecting the location type, you'll be asked to fill in the specific details of your new location. This includes the address, which is broken down into a few categories. The address line, 1, city, state, and zip code. This information is vital because it's how your clients will find you or understand where you are able to provide services. With all the details filled in, the final step is to click Save. It's a small click for you, but a giant leap for your business's visibility and operational efficiency. And that's it. You've successfully added a new location to your Square Appointments. This update will make it easier for your clients to book their appointments, knowing exactly where to go or from where you'll be serving them. Keep in mind, maintaining accurate and detailed location information is not just for your clients' convenience. It also plays a crucial role in how potential new clients discover your business. Today's lesson on adding a new location might seem like a small task, but it's these little details that can significantly enhance your business operations and client experience. Remember, it's not about just being on the map. It's about being exactly where your clients need you to be. Thank you for joining me today. We covered essential ground, and I hope this guide empowers you to expand and streamline your business locations with ease. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Square services. See you next time.